No, you mean hello. The camera cut off, so we have to show Daddy the bathroom now. Come on, let's go. Show Daddy.
I like you, Daddy.
Show Daddy, this is my new bathroom.
This is my new bathroom. Nobody's gonna take my thing down.
No, mommy's fell. Yours didn't fall. Alright, come on.
Okay.
We'll show Daddy the rest of the house?
Yeah. There's no kitchen, Daddy. This is no kitchen.
See, this is the big kitchen.
This is a big kitchen.
Okay.
There's a big closet.
Yep, that's the big closet.
You like these? Dryers. You see track racks. These.
Tell Daddy we're cooking our first meal at home. Get away from the oven. I'll go inside it.
You like the dryer?
It's the dishwasher, Pooh.
The dishwasher. Like these? This good.
You
like these movies? Like these?
Alright, tell Daddy, say I'll be back in a little bit. Let me do my Valentine cards and then we'll show you the Valentine cards, right?
Yeah.
You gonna do the cards and let Daddy see?
Yeah.
Okay, say after Mommy does her homework, we're gonna send another video.
Okay.
Aaliyah, you actually like, I'm saying this, but you have to like act like you want to say this too. You can't be looking at TV while I'm talking. Say I love you.
I love you.
Say see you in a few.
See you soon.
Now blow Daddy a kiss.